Okay, let me read the question 1. It's the fifth. Root 2x plus root 3y equal to 0 and root 3x minus root 8y equal to 0. These two equations we are given. Let me call this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Now what I am going to do, I am choosing the first. For students generally when they see these type of irrational numbers, these type of irrational number, they are very much afraid with that. But dear student, these are very easy. So what we have to do, root 2x equal to, this we will go with this side, so it is minus root 3y. Now let me make a subject to x. If I am making subject to x, then here I have minus root 3y and this root 2 will go down. So finally we will have this result of x. Now simple. This result I am substituting the value of x, in equation 2. Okay. Here I have, you can see the equation is in this form. Fine. Now nothing I am doing, I am putting the value of x here in bracket. And whatever with us, let it be as it is. Fine. I am putting the value of x. So what is the value of x here? Minus root 3 upon root 2 into 1. Fine. Therefore, this will be considered as numerator. In numerator, root 3 into root 3, it will become 3. Along with this minus sign. And here root 2 is already there. So, and y is also there. Now this minus root 8y I am shifting to that side, it will become this. I hope up to here clear to you. Now we are working on the next. So let me write the next step here. I am cleaning this. Let's see. Minus 3y this side. Okay. This root 2 will multiply here. Will be multiplied here. So this will become root 2 into root 8 and y. So of course you will say it will be root 2 into root 8 gives the result root 16y. 8 to just 16. Therefore, minus 3y equal to, we know 16 is a perfect square of 4. Fine. So, simply I should say minus 3y minus 4y. This side I am bringing, it gives the result 0. And we know very well it will be minus 7y equal to 0. Therefore, y equal to 0 by minus 7. And all of us know very well any number when it will be any number we are dividing 0, it gives the result 0 only. So finally I should say the value of y is 0. Now, what was our x, which we have found it is x equal to minus root 3 upon root 2y. Now, in this, I am putting the value of y. The value of y, what we got? 0. And you know, 0 multiply with any of this number, the whole terms will become 0. So, I should say the final answer x equal to 0 according to this, and y was already, which is the final result. Now here in the question of exercise 3.3 question 1, substitution method we are going to apply. The question we are given is 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 equal to minus 2. And second equation is x by 3 plus y by 2 equal to 13 by 6. But the problem is that we have not studied this type of equation, because all the way this we are given, that is rational number 5 by 3, 3 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 2, and this. So we will go with the LCM. Here it is 3 and here it is 2. Consider here it is 1. So 3 2, so here we need to multiply with 6. Same procedure 3, 2, 6. LCM of this will 6. So here with the small writing you mentioned, we need to multiply with 2. 2 is already there, so 3 and 6 1 ja 6. So the same number we are going to multiply the numerator. 3 3 ja 9x minus 5 2 ja 10y and 16 2 ja minus 20, 6 2 ja minus 12. And second equation will be 2x plus 2y equal to 13 1 30. So finally, I should say this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Clear to you, Beta? Now, simple. What we have to do? Applying substitution method. For that, I am choosing the first equation. Beta, it's not necessary that we have to use every time the first equation. We can make a subject from second equation also. The answer will remain. Okay, let's work out on that. Now I am making subject to this. So it will be shifted here. X equal to minus 12 plus 10y upon this 9. So let me have the box. Now this value of x I am substituting. Substituting the value of x in equation number 2. So what do we have here? 2x plus 3y equal to 30. This is the equation already. Therefore, in place of x, I am writing here the value and 3y equal to 30. Now what is the value? X here you can see that is minus 12 plus 10y upon 9. Okay. Now what we are going to do? I am going to simplify this. Okay. For that, I am cleaning this much portion and you can see how to simplify further. Next step, 2 and 9, there isn't anything common in that. So we can't cancel. So this 2, we are going to multiply this full bracket with 2 1 by 1. So what do we have? 2 into 12 minus 12. It gives the result minus 24. Then 2 into 10. It gives the result 25. Upon 9 is there. So let it be as it is. Plus 3y is there, no problem, equal to 30. That finally what do we have? Minus 24 plus 20y. Here nothing means consider 1. This is also 1. So we need to take the LCM will be 9 here. So here with 1 9 ja 9, 1 9 ja 9, 1 9 ja 9. So 9 3 ja 27y, 9 13 9 ja 117. Therefore, minus 24 is already there. Now let's simplify this. 20 plus 27y, it gives a result 47y, which is equal to 117. Let me clean this. So finally, let me bring this minus 24 to right side. So 47y equal to 117 plus 24. So 47y equal to 141. The sum of these two will come 141. Y will be 141 divided by 47. So simple. I should say, go with this. This is therefore y equal to, here, the value of y we are gaining 3. What we have to do? We need to put this value. We need to put this value y equal to 2 here. So we need to put this value in this second equation. What was the second equation? No. What was the x? The value of x at this time. The value of x was this mm, minus. I think I have written somewhere else. It is minus 3 to the 6. What we have written that I have already cleaned up. So here it is. We have what was the value of x over there? It is x and this was 2. So here 2 3 we have written. In second equation, that one. This value we do have. Now, in this, I am putting the value of y. What we got the value of y? That is 3. So, I am writing the value of 3. So, minus 12, then 3 ja 30 upon 9. 30 minus 12 gives the result 18. 18 divided by 9. So, it gives the result 2. So, the value of x equal to 2 and y equal to 3 already with us. This is the complete solution. 3.3 question number 2. The question is solve these two equations we are given and we have to find the value of m by putting the value of x and y in this equation. Very easy, very simple. So first of all, we are beginning with this. The first of our equation is 2x plus 3y equal to 11. Let's say this is equation 1. Another equation is this. Let's say it is equation number 2. Okay. Now as we are going to apply substitution method, so for that I am choosing this first equation and I am going to make a subject to x here. So I will have 2x equal to 11 minus 3y. Therefore x equal to 11 minus 3y by 2. So this is our required value of x. Okay. Now what I am going to do in that? I am putting this value in equation number 2. In this equation, the value of x I am putting. So the equation 2 is this. Already with us? Now substituting the value in place of x. So the equation will become this. What is the value? 11 minus 3y by 2. In 2 cancel. So 11 minus 3y minus 4y equal to minus 24. If this directly cancels, so no need to take LCM and so on. So minus 3y minus 4y. This two it gives the result minus 17. Minus 24, this plus 11 will move to this side, it will become minus 11. So, I should say minus 7y equal to minus 35. Same sign addition. Okay. So, finally, I am completing the sum here. So, I am not completing the result of y I am completing here. So, y equal to minus 35 upon minus 7. So, the value of y, 7 5 ja 35 minus minus cancel. So, the value of y we got is 5. And in the next step, we are going to put this value of y in. Okay. So here in place of this, we will put the value. Let's see. X equal to 11 minus 3y by 2. X equal to 11 minus 3y by 2. In this equation, let me put the value of y, that is 5. And we know very well 11 minus 3 5 is 15. Therefore, x equal to 11 minus 15 minus 4. So, the value of x is equal to minus 2. So, finally, I should say the value of x is minus 2 and the value of y is 5 equal. But this is not our complete solution. Just observe the question. We actually want to find the value of m. Nothing to do. Simple. I am going with this equation now. Y equal to mx plus 3. In this equation, I am taking the value of y 5. Value of m I do not know. The value of x, that is minus 2, and this is. So 5 equal to minus 2m plus 3. Let me simplify here. So this 5 minus 3. It will become 5 minus 3, which will be equal to minus 2m. Therefore, 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 equal to minus 2m. Therefore, m equal to 2 by minus 2. Therefore, m equal to minus 1. This is our required result. Nothing I have done. First, by applying substitution method, I got the value of x minus 2 and y equal to 5. And finally, in this y equal to mx plus 3 equation, I drop the value of y and x here and simplifying the equation. So finally, I got the value m equal to minus 1.